Now for some Labor Day birthdays, and we begin in Girard with Radence Franklin turning 9 today with a very cool shirt there. Radence, a happy birthday to you.
And we have a Lainey Lankford turning 14 in Cartersville.
We've also got Briley Heimer turning 15 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Briley.
Samson Fencer turning 15 in Pittsburgh from Love and Grandma Smith.
And we've got Roland Whitchurch in Jasper turning 16 years old. A very happy birthday to you. And this comes with love from Granny and Papa Charles.
You got Joel Schultz turning 17 in Parsons.
And Zach Trim over in Thayer celebrating birthday number 27. Happy birthday, Zach.
Kenny Colby turned 48 on this past Saturday.
So see, now Kenny gets to celebrate for the entire Labor Day weekend. Way to go, Kenny. That is the perfect placement of a birthday. We've also got Jim Akins turning 50 over in Iola. Happy birthday to you, Jim. And hey, guess what? Jim and his wife, Brittany, no, I'm so sorry. We have two Jim Akins. Okay, this is interesting. My apologies. Jim and Brittany Akins, a different Jim, celebrating their first anniversary in Iola. The anniversary was on Saturday, and Brittany celebrated a birthday last week. So it's just celebrations all around. Happy anniversary to you all.
Mary Sauer turned 60 in Arma.
And Cindy Stoll turning 68 in Chanute. Happy birthday, Cindy.
Larry and Joan Allen had a 62nd anniversary on Saturday. 62nd, wow. That
is a lot of years to be together, and it looks like they are doing great. Happy anniversary. And they are in Chatopa. And then we've also got our very own Debbie Haynes, one of the many people behind the scenes that keeps this station going, celebrating a birthday as well. She's one of our traffic assistants. And we're not talking about driving a car. We're talking about a different kind of television traffic. Debbie, a very happy birthday to you.
You also got Melody Morgan in Joplin.
And here's the thing, Melody Morgan's name is extraordinarily familiar to me. I think she may have been my 6th grade math teacher at South Middle School in Joplin. Could be a different Melody Morgan, but I am fairly certain that this has got to be the right one. Melody, happy birthday to you. We've got Clay King in Columbus celebrating a birthday, as well as Sandy Friend turning 67 in Columbus. Anna Klein, 75 in Crestline, and another party in the bus with Denise Hodgson turning 70. Happy birthday to all of you. Now, if you've got a birthday